Hola amigos, buenas tardes. Yo soy, me llamo Bagger. Yo estoy muy. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's go do some backtesting today. With me, Bagger Kadimi from Afghanistan, live in Sweden. Here we go. 1 hour time frame on ES2, 1 hour time frame. Let's go to next day New York session. Here we go. On daily time frame. Yes. Before doing everything, let's put some music, because without music yes, daily time frame looks like this. Friday. Okay. Let's mark our buy side and sell side. I don't like that we are on all-time high. We sweep our buy side here. And the same here. What do we do here? We sweep our buy side both on ES and NQ. All-time high. Yes, sir. Nothing we search here. So we go on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, what do? We wanna mark out this for value gap. This 4 hour value gap. Yeah, no problem. And we respect this 4 hour value gap to then go higher, it looks like. Yes, here we go. go on the 1 hour time frame. Here we go. So on the 1 hour time frame, if we are bearish, which it looks like we are, then this would be changing state on the 1 hour. So I mark that out. Let us see if we do feel that. Right now, no value gap here. So we go on the 15 minutes. I've not been backtesting for 3 days now, maybe. Yeah, that's why I'm a bit slow. I've always been slow in backtesting at all, but today I am extra slow. Thank you for attention. Here we go on the 15 minutes. What do we do on the 15 minutes? We come up, we take our internal buy side, and then we move back down. So this was my change in state 1 hour. So we do not have any value gap here as well. I can't see any, and here as well. No, we do have value gap here, and what do? We go up, we respect this 4 hour value gap. We take our buy side, we take our internal buy side, and we are on all-time high, so we took our external buy side as well. And right now it looks like we wanna go lower, but let's see. We go on the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes as well, we feel our change in state here, and with this candle, and then we move down, and the same on ES. So, and we also do displacement, this value gap here, and then this one. Displacement comes after the change in state. So now we do displacement. It looks like we do, but we will wait for more confirmation. So this is how it looks in 5 minutes. So we go back on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute we have a lot of low resistance liquidity here, so I want everything to be taken, so this will be my drawn liquidity. And once we take this, so we take all of them at once. And right now we have done we feel change in state here, and then we have this candle, this Ferrari gap, so we come back up and weak that Ferrari gap and we go down immediately. So what does that supposed to mean? It means I search for SMT. If we don't have any SMT, then okay. Yes, so right now I have missed the move. I can say, I mean, if I want to short this trade, I would like to see the price go up again somewhere around here to then go lower. So if I want the price to go lower, I want to see it go higher first. Justin Wardlin, peace be upon him. So here we go. This could go down straight, but the reason I don't enter this trade is that I don't know where to put my stop loss. If I put my stop loss above this Ferrari gap, then the risk is very low, so I don't want to take those kind of trades. So that's why I wait for the market to show me some kind of here we go. We went up, we took this low resistance liquidity or these highs on ES, not on NQ though. So we form an SMT here, so something like this. So here we go. We still have SMT. we still didn't take this low. Still didn't take this low, so right now we went back up to I need to change the color of this. I still expect the price to go down here. That's what I expect, so it doesn't mean that the market should listen to it. So here we go. So now we have yes, we do have a bearish SMT now, but still I will need to see the price go higher to act upon this rally gap if we want to go down. Here we go. Now what do we have here? We have, I need to clean everything up because it doesn't look good. I remember everything. when we didn't test the internal sell side. So I don't expect the market to go higher than this, and that's why right now I would like to see a rejection downside, because otherwise I don't know what the market is doing. Here we go. We wicked that Ferrari gap, 15-minute Ferrari gap, and on ES we don't even have a Ferrari gap here, so now I would like to see us go below this, the last bearish candle here. Once we go below this one, that's when I will search for displacement, if we do have any, and then take a short. Here we go. We took this high on NQ, not on ES, so let's see what we do from here on. We create the high, we manipulate the high, what else do we do? Choppy, choppy, choppy. Here we go. Here we go. No. 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 Yes. So right now, what do we have here? What do we have here? We don't have any kind of displacement at this moment, so I would like to see a displacement to see if we create some kind of rally gap. That gives me the confirmation that we want to go lower. Here we go. Now we leave this little rally gap here. As you can see, here we go. I can show you that like this. You cannot even see that for rally gap, so yes, right now I will take a short here. I will put my stop loss above this Ferrari gap or this candle and target this on the 15 minutes. Here we go. That might be I swear I need to change my mouse because it's not working sometimes. Okay. Right. Yes, a friend of mine called. So here we go. We went back to this rally gap on the 15 minute, and then we did displacement with that tiny little rally gap, and right now we are inside this rally gap on the 15 minutes. So I here we go. It could be, yeah, we create this high, we manipulate this high, we put an SMT, as you can see here. We create equal low, equal highs, so we don't take that high. So that means we have SMT, we didn't sweep that high. So this is the trade I will take. Place an order. Yes, I will journal this as well. So here we go. I will take some 50% off when we are inside this rally gap, and then let the rest. As I don't know if we even go to that point, but that's the risk you take. We have SMT. So here we go. 15-minute time frame. As I said, I would take 50% out here, so 50%, and I move my stop to entry, and this is my target. Here we go. I got stopped out at entry, so let us see why I got stopped out. Okay, I think I know why I got stopped out. Because once you know, we took this low on NQ2. Yes. Yeah, but I'm still confident that we go and take that, but we will see. here we go. So now what I need to do is reset the chart. I do this because for my journal to have a clear understanding of the price action and why I took the trade. Somewhere here, I think. Yes, that's it. I now will go and start writing down journal, so I will pause the video. Yes, here we go. I wrote my journal, which is this one. Daily buys, we were in all-time high, and the market has swept external buy side and had a move downside. So when I zoomed in, I realized that the market should go lower and take that internal low that it had created earlier. I was patiently waiting for a confirmation to go short, so once we showed some confirmation that we go downside, I waited for the market to go and tap to that 15 minutes for rally gap, which is this one right here. This one. And then and from there I waited for displacement and change in state field in 1 minute, and SMT at the high. ES did make equal highs and NQ swept the high, and enter short with my stop loss above that 15 minutes for rally gap, and took off 50% once we hit the for rally gap that was in the discount of that range. Here we go. This one. Exactly. And moved my stop loss to entry and got stopped out. So very good trade, very good execution, very good entry. And here we go. And I also need to write later on we took that internal this is it. We go to next market open, but I will make another video of that.